Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Slim Folio. Now I have one of these on my iPad, but there was a little sprinkler accident. Long story short, I need a new one. Luckily they're not really expensive because I know that there's some keyboard cases for iPads that are super expensive, but this one is okay. So basically, it was nobody's fault, so let's just move on to the unboxing. I use this because I need, when I use my iPad, sometimes I do type with a braille display, but other times braille displays, I don't know, I prefer a keyboard. So today we're gonna be unboxing. Let's try this again. What was that? I feel it. I just gotta get to it. Alright, this time we're actually unboxing the wireless keyboard and not whatever that was. So, okay, here's the keyboard. Man, that took forever. So, I have it. I just gotta maneuver it. Give me a minute. Okay, it's coming. Okay, we did it. We did it. Wow. Okay, so this is the Logitech Slim Folio. And ooh, this is it. And it's perfect. So this is what I have on my iPad, but there was a small accident. It was really nobody's fault. All is forgiven. So it is the black one because, well, black's the only color they have. And I'm just getting it all set up here. I'm going to satisfyingly peel off. Oh, there's nothing to peel off on this one. Okay, that's interesting. The
Go up a little higher.
Higher? Where? Oh yeah, I feel that. I just got to figure it out. I don't know. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, I knew there was something we peel off. All right, so I pulled the tab because I need this actually today for schoolwork. And that was my dad who said go up a little higher. And then here is what we slide off. Like that. And then, okay, so there's nothing to peel off here. And okay, so that's good. And now I'm gonna start the process of pairing. I'll see you guys later.
Airplane mode. Switch button. Off. Settings.
Okay. So now I'm back and I'm using Apple's screen recording tool, which I like very much, to pair. So I held the second button down on the right until it starts flashing, and I'm not positive, but I think it's flashing.
Clock. 12. Settings.
So
Double
now
tap to
I'm
open.
gonna double tap on settings.
Settings. About. But. Software update. But. Grace. Airplane mode. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth.
I
On. Button.
revealed
Bluetooth.
my last
Heading.
name. That was not what I meant to do.
Bluetooth. On. Now discoverable. My devices. Accessory. Not more info. AOMAI. More info. Apple
I'm
Pencil.
not like
Not connected.
hiding it,
Button.
but I mean, you don't
Actions
want to
available.
reveal all this information on YouTube. Okay.
More info. Rail sensor.
So,
more info. Focus 40
now
base.
we're
More
gonna
info.
look
Grace.
for
More info.
Slim
Other devices.
Folio.
In progress. Slim Folio. Slim Folio. Button.
Which is
Slim Folio.
here.
Connecting.
And now
Bluetooth.
connecting.
On. Alert. Bluetooth pairing request. Slim Folio would like to pair with your iPad.
Yes.
Enter the code. Cancel. Button. Slim Folio would like to pair with your iPad. Enter the code 830755 on Slim Folio.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3.
Bluetooth.
What now?
Slim Folio would like to pair with your iPad. Enter the code 830755 on Slim Folio.
0, 9, 8, 7, 5, 5.
Slim Folio. Connected. Settings. Heading.
And so I have entered the code, and now I'm connected
Dictate.
to
Button.
my
Air
Slim
Wi-Fi.
Folio.
Dome 1. Button. Selected.
So,
Notifications. Button.
Now I'm using the Slim Folio to flick.
Sounds. Do not disturb. Screen time.
Using
General.
the
Button.
right
Control
arrow
center.
to
Button. Display. Home
flick
screen.
right.
Accessibility. Button.
And remember
Wallpaper.
how
Button.
I said, oh, I can't find anything to that we're supposed to peel? I found it. See if you can hear it. I just found what to peel. That
Wallpaper.
took forever. I don't know why, but this is now a working Slim Folio.
Settings.
And
Double tap to open.
Now I can write on it, and you know, I can use it like I used to use it. And thank you, Logitech, for making this. And yeah, this video was not sponsored by Logitech. Yeah.